years old. He melted like butter in my bathroom 60-watt bowl. Kept a 3-cell magnet from Daddy's workshop drawer. Under my pillow, and I'd pull it like a sword. Anymore, when a restless feeling keeps me up at night. Falling on my knees is my new turning on the light. I keep my faith intact, make sure my prayers are said. 'Cause I learned that the monsters ain't the ones beneath the bed. A hungry man and the devil on the heart. A minefield of bad decisions lay hiding in the dark. A great storm, sickness steals, and pride lays a wicked trap. You can't avoid them all, no. You gotta trust me on that. And anymore, a restless feeling keeps me up at night. I'm falling on my knees, it's my new turn on the light. I keep my faith intact and make sure my prayers